Hello, YouTube. Welcome to Review Shop. Today, we will watch Best Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaners. You love your jewelry but hate how dirty, grimy, grungy and stained they look. They just aren't as sparkly and bright as they used to be and people are noticing their lackluster appearance. You are at your wit's end. How on earth are you going to restore their glitter and bling? You could try to wash them off or scrub them but your results are not as sparkly and glittery as you would like. Worse, you may end up damaging your valuables even further. You could also pay hundreds of dollars to get them professionally cleaned. But what if there's a way to clean your jewelry yourself and restore them to their glorious shine within seconds? Instead of going to the jewelers to have your jewelry cleaned and spending so much to do so, why not try out any of the best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner machines you can buy at surprisingly low costs? This is quite possible and our buying guide is here to give you the scoop on 5 of the top jewelry cleaners that will fit your budget. Please, enjoy the video, and subscribe to the channel. Number 5. Ultrasonic Cleaner Jewelry, CD and Denture Cleaner with Timer Setting. First, there is the Real Ultrasonic Cleaner that you can use to make your jewelry, CDs, watches, coins, and any valuable items spotless again. This powerful cleaner uses 43 kHz as its base frequency and has a tank capacity of 25 ounces or 750 milliliters. You may find that this ultrasonic cleaner is among the ultrasonic jewelry cleaner machines that bring out the glitter in your jewelry. Not only will you get a removable basket with your purchase, you also receive a CD mat for your discs and a watch holder that makes removing grime from your watch band much easier. Your Real Cleaner has 5 timer settings from 90 seconds to 480 seconds, 8 minutes. So, for tough dirt lodged in hard to reach areas, choose the longer time setting, and for small, slightly dirty items, go for the lower time setting. This cleaner is designed for efficiency and effectiveness in thoroughly removing any contamination from your precious jewelry and valuable items. The built-in buttons, digital LED display, and automatic shut-off are other great features of the Real Ultrasonic Cleaner that provide a professional jewelry cleaning experience. Number 4. HomeDocs Professional Ultrasonic Polishing Jewelry Cleaner Machine. Restore your valuables to their former glitter with the HomeDocs UJ720 ounces Professional Ultrasonic Polishing Jewelry Cleaner Machine. With only water, you can get this cleaner to push out 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic waves to lift grime and dirt in a matter of minutes. This versatile cleaner works wonders on jewelry, utensils, watches, eyeglasses, and many other items. To get even more shine in your jewelry, add a little liquid hand or dish soap. Allow this powerful cleaner to remove dirt and grime without ruining your delicate items. You will appreciate how extremely easy it is to operate one of the top ultrasonic jewelry cleaner systems being recommended for you. Choose your time setting and push the start button and that's it. You are off and running. The convenient basket provided is to be used for items that are delicate and easy to break. Choose from 5 different cycles between 90 and 480 seconds. Your choice depends on how much gunk you need to remove. Simply make your selection and the timer will count down on your digital display as the cleaning takes place. Once the job is finished, the unit will shut off automatically. Number 3. Family Ultrasonic Polishing Jewelry Cleaner with Digital Timer. To quickly get rid of discoloration, grime, and dirt from your jewelry, necklaces, eyeglasses, bracelet and other items, reach for the Family Ultrasonic Polishing Jewelry Cleaner. Not only is this an effective cleaner that gets the job done, it gently cleans your items without damaging them. With 5 timer settings to choose from, you can finish your task within 90 seconds or, depending on how tough the job is, take as long as 600 seconds, 10 minutes. Once your job is finished, the unit shuts off automatically. You won't be left guessing whether you have sparkling jewelry when the job is done by the best home jewelry cleaner you can buy. Fit your items inside the 20.3 ounce, or 600 milliliters, tank. The basket included helps to keep your jewelry and other pieces secure. The basket for your watch makes it easy to lay it out at full length so that the powerful ultrasonic waves can reach every hard-to-reach nook to clean the gunk. The basket will also allow your precious items to sit in a protected space, and a disc hoist is provided to hold discs in place for the best cleaning. You can clean any type of household valuables with this cutting-edge cleaner. So, you won't be disappointed by this reliable and affordable unit that removes dirt, grime, and stains from your precious jewelry and other items effectively. Number 2. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner with Digital Timer. If you are like the newlywed who love the sight of a glittering wedding ring, you will appreciate the sparkling results of the Magnasonic Digital Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. With only water, you can transform your dull jewelry into bright pieces using the 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic power generated by this cleaner. Grime and dirt are gently lifted within minutes with this offering from the makers of the top ultrasonic jewelry cleaner machines on the market. Choose among 5 cleaning settings. Of course, your settings depending on the amount of grunge you need to remove from your jewelry and other items. The more grime and dirt you need to remove, the longer the run cycle you would need to set. Expect the same professional results you would have received from the jewelers. Not only is this cleaner great for removing ugly grime from your jewelry, it is just as effective on dentures, eyeglasses, utensils, razor blades, and many other items. It does not matter whether you are using this cleaner for your home, business, or anywhere else. This ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is just the ticket to get all your priceless pieces looking sparkly new again. The Magnasonic Digital Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is so easy to use. Just pour water into the tank and place your items inside. You may also add a little hand or dishwashing soap to get a superior cleaning result. The chamber, which is made of stainless steel, has a capacity to hold 20 ounces, 600 milliliters, of cleaning solution. The generous interior dimensions are 5.4 inches by 3.6 inches by 2.1 inches, which allow you to fit much more jewelry into this cleaner. You might also agree that the jewelry cleaner is a much better choice than a steamer, which is more costly. And finally, number 1, Isonic Ultrasonic Cleaner. Perhaps a cleaner big enough to hold much more than jewelry is more up your street. In that case, consider the Isonic Commercial Ultrasonic Cleaner. With a generous stainless steel tank, you can get almost anything clean, including silverware and long dental equipment. Like most of the best professional jewelry cleaner machines available, this Isonic has the capacity to generate 42,000 Hz frequency. You have the flexibility to choose from 5 timer settings. Not only is this cleaner equipped with a commercial-grade ultrasonic stack transducer, it is also designed with an overheat protector that does not allow the unit to get too hot. One feature you will like is that this jewelry cleaner is not noisy when it is on. It is also easy to use. Simply pour your cleaning solution, add your jewelry or whatever you need to clean, and start it.